Diffusion models make stunning images, but they are slow. Generating one picture can mean running a heavy neural network 25 to 50 times over. DeepCache, a CVPR 2024 method, speeds this up for free, with no retraining at all. In this video, why diffusion is slow, what DeepCache caches, how the loop works, the UNet trick behind it, how it compares to distillation, the numbers, the code, and when to reach for it. First, the pain. A diffusion model starts from pure noise and removes a little of it step by step until a clean image appears. Each of those steps runs the full network, and there can be dozens of them. So most of the cost is not one big calculation, it is the same expensive network fired again and again. That is what makes diffusion feel sluggish, especially at high resolution. Now the key observation. If you look at adjacent denoising steps, the deep, high-level features barely change from one step to the next. The big picture is already decided early, only fine details keep moving. DeepCache exploits this temporal redundancy. Instead of recomputing those slow-changing deep features every step, it computes them once, caches them, and reuses them for several steps. It is completely training-free. Here is the loop. On a full step, DeepCache runs the entire network and stores the deep feature map in a cache. For the next several steps, it skips the expensive deep computation and simply reuses that cached feature, recomputing only the cheap, shallow layers. After a set interval, it does one more full step to refresh the cache, then repeats. Most steps become almost free. Why can it skip the deep part safely? The trick is the UNet's shape. A UNet funnels the image down to a small, dense core of high-level meaning, then expands it back up to full detail, with skip connections bridging the two sides. DeepCache caches the output of that deep core at one skip branch, then on cheap steps runs only the shallow outer layers, and stitches the cached core back in through the skip. How does this compare to the other way to speed up diffusion, distillation? Latent consistency models distill a model to generate in 4 to 6 steps, but that needs training, roughly 32 GPU hours per model. DeepCache needs zero training, works out of the box on your existing model, and plugs into standard samplers like DDIM and PLMS. It also beats pruning methods that require retraining. You control it with two simple dials. Cache interval sets how many steps reuse the cache before a full refresh. A larger interval means more speed but more drift. Cache branch ID picks how deep to cache. A shallower branch is faster but coarser. Uniform caching refreshes on a fixed schedule, while non-uniform caching refreshes more often when the features are changing fastest. Now the numbers. On stable diffusion version 1.5, DeepCache delivers a 2.3 times speedup with only a 0.05 drop in clip score. On the LDM4 ImageNet model, it hits 4.1 times faster for just a 0.22 rise in FID. Compute per step falls sharply too, from about 100 billion operations down to 14 billion at an interval of 10. Where does it shine? Anywhere you run UNet diffusion at volume. It is a drop-in win for stable diffusion text-to-image, for stable diffusion XL, and for image-to-image and in-painting pipelines. Studios batching thousands of generations, and interactive tools that need lower latency, get a free 2 to 3 times throughput boost without touching model weights or output pipelines. In code, it is almost trivial. You install the DeepCache package, wrap your existing pipeline in a DeepCache helper, set the cache interval and the cache branch, and call enable. That is it. No fine-tuning, no new checkpoints, no changes to your prompts. You can toggle it on and off at will, and tune the two dials to trade a little quality for a lot of speed. So when should you reach for it, and when not? Reach for it when you run a UNet diffusion model, want free speed with no retraining, and can accept a tiny quality dip. Think twice when you need pixel-perfect fidelity, when you push the interval very high, where quality degrades, or when your model is a pure transformer diffusion with no UNet skip connections, which needs a different caching variant. Let's recap. Diffusion is slow because it runs a full network at every denoising step. DeepCache notices that deep features change slowly, so it caches them and reuses them across steps, recomputing only the cheap shallow layers through the UNet skip. The result is a training-free 2 to 4 times speedup, controlled by just 2 dials that plugs into the models and samplers you already use. That is DeepCache, a beautifully simple idea, faster diffusion by not repeating work you already did. If this made the concept click, follow for plain English Gen AI breakdowns, and save this to share with anyone still waiting on slow image generation.